In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to notify ETrade of death. This process is never easy, but I'll walk you through the exact clicks you need to make on the website so you can get in touch with the right team quickly and clearly. Before you begin, it helps to be an authorized person, like an executor or joint account holder, and to have basic details ready, such as the account holder's full name and any account information you might have. You won't be asked to share sensitive documents right away in chat, but the agent may let you know what will be needed next. Start by opening the ETrade website on a desktop or mobile browser. Once you're on the home page, look for the support option. It's typically found along the top menu or in the site's footer. Click Support to open the help area. On the support page, find and click Contact Us. This takes you to ETrade's contact options, where you can choose how you want to reach them. For the fastest routing, click Chat. This opens a chat window that can guide you to the right specialist. If you're prompted to verify your identity or provide basic details, that's normal and helps protect the account. Inside the chat, you'll see guided categories. Choose Update Your Account. This tells the system you're looking to make a change related to an existing account. From there, select Personal Information. This narrows things further to items related to the individual on the account, rather than trading or technical support. Next, choose Report the Death of an Account Holder. Selecting this option ensures your request is correctly classified and directed to the team trained to handle bereavement notifications. Once you've selected it, the chat will either connect you with a live representative or provide the next steps tailored to your situation. When you're connected, briefly state that you're notifying the firm of the death of an account holder and provide the information the agent requests. If a case or reference number is given, note it down and consider saving the chat transcript for your records. If the representative mentions documents that may be needed later, ask how they prefer you to submit them securely. That's it. By going to Support, then Contact Us, clicking Chat, choosing Update Your Account, then Personal Information, and finally report the death of an account holder, you'll reach the right place to begin the process with clarity and care. Take your time and don't hesitate to ask the representative to repeat or clarify